In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Microsoft Teams camera if it's not working. Whether you're joining an important meeting or catching up with friends, having your camera fully functional is crucial. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL or search for Microsoft Teams to get there quickly. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your login details if you aren't already signed in. Now, enter your Microsoft account credentials. Ensure that you're using the correct email and password associated with the account you typically use for Teams. This step will take you straight into your Teams environment where you can join a meeting or start a call. Next, you'll want to either join a meeting or initiate a call. You can do this by clicking on any scheduled meeting or by starting a new call through the Teams interface. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the settings you need to adjust your camera. After you're in a meeting or a call, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a small camera icon displayed there. Clicking on this icon will bring up the camera settings and options available to you within the Teams application. Now, you'll find a drop-down menu that is linked to the camera icon you just clicked. This drop-down lists all the camera devices connected to your system. It's essential to check this list to ensure that your desired camera is recognized by Teams. The next step is really important. Make sure your camera device is connected properly. This means double-checking that all cables are plugged in securely, or if you're using a wireless device, making sure it's turned on and within range. It's easy to overlook this, but often it's just a simple connection issue. Finally, to ensure that Teams recognizes the camera you want to use, go ahead and switch your camera device in the drop-down menu. If you see multiple devices listed, select a different camera and then switch back to the one you want to use. This action can help to refresh the connection and often resolves any lingering issues. And there you have it. Following these steps should solve any issues with your Microsoft Teams camera not working. Remember, making sure everything is connected correctly and refreshing the device settings can often do the trick. If you're still experiencing problems, consider checking your computer's privacy settings or updating your device drivers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.